Hi, I'm Dave Livo. Some of you young fellas out there might know my dad, John Livingstone, the first electrician in Tūrangi, and my mum, Lena Livingstone, the golfer. I'm standing for the Turangi-Tongariro ward. If you want a strong advocate for change, vote for me. My top priority is to have an accident and emergency facility based in Turangi with ambulances so that our people don't have to travel to Taupo, to Rotorua and to Hamilton, because many of them don't make it. I'm honest, I'm a local leader with local solutions for local issues. Vote for me and you'll see the change. I believe the clean, pristine waters of Lake Taupo need to be protected. Why? Because everybody wants the clean, pristine image to still be projected to the world. However, today I believe that doesn't exist anymore. I believe it's a fallacy, and that's why I'm here. That's one reason why I'm running for council, to tell the truth.